Welcome to my vlog of me adding some plants to our mini garden as we go on and talk about the benefits of gardening. Gardening is profoundly rewarding endeavor with a multitude of benefits. Firstly, it promotes mental well-being by offering a therapeutic escape from the stresses of daily life. The act of nurturing plants and witnessing their growth can instill a sense of accomplishment and tranquility. Physically, gardening is an excellent form of exercise. Tasks like digging, planting, and weeding engaging various muscle groups, contributing to improved fitness and flexibility. This physical activity also encourages a healthier, more active lifestyle. Furthermore, gardening provides a direct link to nature, fostering a deeper appreciation for the environment. It cultivates a sense of responsibility towards the planet, as individuals witness firsthand the impact of their efforts on the ecosystem. Additionally, gardening can be a communal activity, bringing people together and fostering a sense of community. Shared gardening spaces or community gardens create opportunities for social interaction, promoting a sense of belonging and cooperation. On a practical level, growing one's own fruits and vegetables can lead to a more sustainable and nutritious diet. This self-sufficiency in food production can reduce reliance on mass-produced, often heavily processed alternatives. In conclusion, gardening is a holistic pursuit that enriches physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It connects individuals with nature, promotes learning, and cultivates a sense of community. Its benefits extend to personal health, environmental stewardship, and a more sustainable way of life. Embracing gardening is a step towards a healthier, happier, and a more harmonious existence.